Hi, it's Rockin' Robin, and today we are going garage sailing, and you are coming with us. We're going to see what we can find and how much money we can make. Stay with us. First one of the day, let's go. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you? Can we look around?
Sure.
How are you?
I'm telling you, Maggie.
Okay, so nothing at that one. So let's head to stop number 2. Stop number 2. Hello, how are you? Good. Cool. So now we're at stop number 3. How cute. There was a lot of cute stuff, but prices were high and there was no room for me to make any money on these, and they were not anything special. There was a Lily Pulitzer shirt, but they were asking $15, so I didn't bother. So we went to about a dozen tag sales and I did not buy a thing. Have you ever had one of those days? Very frustrating, isn't it? Especially when you're doing eBay and Poshmark. Well, this is Rockin' Robin. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a big thumbs up.